Hi guys. So today we will learn some formatting techniques, some advanced formatting techniques, which is called as conditional formatting. Okay. Look, this is the data set. Okay. These are different projects and there is a sales for that. So each project has to achieve a particular number to be rated internally. Okay. So if it has achieved a sale of more than 5 lakh rupees, which is numbers are in thousand, then it is green. If it is between 4999 to 3000, it is orange. And if it is less than 3000, right, then it is bad. You have not achieved it. Okay. So now the way to do it is either you can do a formatting here, or you can put up here, right, excellent and all that stuff. But there is a better way to do it. What we will do is we will use conditional formatting. We will select this data, we will go to home, and then we will go to conditional formatting, and then you go to icon sets. Okay, we will put icon sets and you will see how does it look like. This will look something like that. You see, it will look something like this, right? It is taking automatically right now. You might not get the meaning of it, but what we will do, we will go to more rules. Okay. And we will say when the value is more than 5000 in absolute term, in number term, right? 5000, then you will get a green dot in front of the number. Okay. And when the number is more than 3000, that means it is less than 5000, then you will get a orange one. And here you can change also. I want to, for balance, it is uh, for balance it is 3000, right? So that's how we will go and see how the result will be. So we don't have to do percentile, you have to give numbers, right? You have to give numbers like more than 3000, right? So that's how it will be. Now you see, this gives you a much more better sense of reading. So our eyes can just see green, 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 orange, orange, and black where you are not performing that well. Now, these orange dots, etc., will not impact the cell's value. You can perform any kind of mathematical calculation, even if these formattings are available in the cell. This is in cell formatting, right? So hope you will use this function in your day-to-day operations. It makes your worksheet looks more elegant, more professional. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.